Did you know that yawning can be a tapestry of health benefits? Recent studies reveal that yawning isn't just a sign of sleepiness, it actually cools the brain, enhancing alertness and cognitive function. This natural mechanism helps regulate brain temperature, ensuring optimal performance. When you yawn, the influx of cool air lowers the brain's temperature, much like a fan cooling a computer. This simple act can improve focus and mental clarity, making it a surprising yet effective wellness technique. So, next time you yawn, remember it's your brain's way of staying sharp.